This is by far the easiest side hustle in 2025. And yes, it's even perfect for my 45-year-old brain. People have made over $15,000 a month using these simple strategies. There's no product creation, no chasing people, and no tech overwhelm. So if you are looking for a simple way to make money online, stick around. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to walk you through the exact strategies that finally worked for me. Now, if we haven't met, my name is Laura. I'm a wife, a mother, and a previous 9-to-5er. Now I help fellow moms discover how to build multiple income streams online, even if they are starting as total beginners. Before we jump in, if you want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint, this breaks down the exact steps that I took to go from completely overwhelmed to building a digital income. You could grab that below. So do you really need to have a product or something to sell to make money online? Yes. Plain and simple. If you want to make money online, you have to have a product or a service to sell. If income is a goal, then product and a service has to be exchanged. This is how money works, even online. Now, most people get stuck right here. They stop, they think, they can't decide on what they want to do. They sometimes pick different avenues and realize, hey, well, what do I sell? Should I sign up for Amazon affiliate? Should I make t-shirts? Or promote a course? And here's the truth. Promoting a product online or on Amazon, being an Amazon influencer, you actually get really small little commissions, like cents on the dollar. You really need to sell hundreds to 1,000 products so that you can actually make a full-time income. It's doable, but it's slow and frankly exhausting. Then there's print on demand, making t-shirts with cute little sayings on them. I thought, oh, that's perfect. No inventory, no shipping, easy money, right? Well, not quite. The profit margins are very minimal, $5 to $6 per item. By the time you factor in all of your time and effort and the occasional return, you are working way too hard for way too little. You could end up not making income. And actually, you can end up spending more income by paying for your Spotify account. Affiliate marketing. Now that's a smart one. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through you, you earn a commission, like between 25 and 50%. But affiliate marketing is a great bonus income, but not a great main source of income. Because again, the profit margins are small, and you don't control the price. You don't get the full profit. And then I thought, why not create my own digital product? And honestly, that's a great thought. But once I start thinking about it, what am I going to make? What is it that I want to create? What is it that people want to buy? And how can I market my product to the right audience? It's not that you can't create your own product. You absolutely can. But if you don't understand demand or traffic or how to attract people to you, well, then you might end up having a great idea sitting on a hard drive collecting dust. Creating before you even know how to sell it is like setting up a lemonade stand at the end of a dead-end road. You might have the best lemonade on the block, but nobody knows you're there. So what do I recommend first? Do your research. What are people already searching for? What problems are they trying to solve? What's in high demand? Once you know that, then you're on your way to starting your online course or digital product that solves that problem. That's how you create something that people want and are willing to pay for. When I stopped guessing and I started focusing on what people were actually searching for, that's when I found a program that not only taught me demand skills, but also gave me Master Resell Rights so that I can earn from it right away. That's how I went from trying to decide what product I was going to make and trying to sell things online on affiliate marketing to being able to focus on what people wanted from a system that already worked. And hey, if you want a shortcut and not go through the process that I went through of trial and error and learn from my mistakes, go to my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's free. Take a look. And hey, if you want to take a shortcut and skip the trial and error, get your hands on my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's linked below. It walks you through the whole step-by-step process. So what is actually in demand right now? Well, this is huge because people waste so much time trying to guess what to sell. So here's the deal. People are searching every day for topics like how to make money online, how to work from home, how to make a passive income, how to retire early. Forbes reports that the digital marketing space is going to grow 3 billion a day. It's already at 1.3 billion and it's climbing fast. So if you want to see for yourself, go to Google Trends and search making money online. It's one of the most consistently searched topics out there, and it just continues to grow. That's why I promote a digital education program, because people are already searching for a solution. I just put it right in front of them. So what if I don't want to be a salesperson? Goodness, I hear that all the time. I don't want to message strangers, and I definitely don't want to be that person that calls you up and says, "Hey friend, we haven't seen each other since high school, but I have this great product I think you might be interested in." Today, people do not want to be pressured. They want information and to do things on their own timeline. That's where automated systems come in play. They guide people through the process. They answer the questions. They give people space so that they can make the best decision on their own timeline. So no cold calling, no awkward follow-ups, just a clean, professional system working in the background. I call it my freedom machine because it's doing all the heavy lifting while I'm living my life. So stick around if you want to see how this program works. You can grab the link in the description below. So what makes this work on autopilot? Automations is everything. Because here's the truth. People normally don't buy the first time they see something. They need time, they need trust, and they need follow-up. And that's where email automations come in. It keeps working even after you hit publish. It does the heavy lifting so that you can live your life and not have to be in front of your computer 24/7. Because while you're out making memories, it's doing the heavy lifting for you. It's working in the background, following up with potential customers, answering questions for you. It's building trust, helping people make confident decisions on their timelines and not mine. We use a platform called System.io, and I absolutely love it because one, is completely free if you have under 2,000 subscribers. Not a trial, but a full plan. It handles all my funnels, my email sequence, my websites, and my payments. Automations is what makes this business passive and scalable. This is how you go from hustle to freedom. So what if you're not techie? You don't need to be techie to make money online. The online space has evolved. So what used to take you hours now is at a click of a button. Yes, you'll need some basics like a capture page, email automations, as well as a way to take payment. Some people try Spotify or Etsy, but they keep taking percentages and they charge fees on their platform. So that's not really ideal. If you're building your own product from scratch, then I do recommend System.io. It's free, like I said, for up to 2,000 subscribers. And it handles everything. But here is what changed the game for me. When I found a completely done-for-you program with absolutely everything already built in, like the website, like the capture page, the automations email sequence, this is proven to convert like a digital product with Master Resell Rights. It was a complete system, like a business in a box, with everything I needed for success. And the best part is that you're not just learning, you can earn at the same time with your Master Resell Rights. This is the simplest, easiest way if you're a beginner, is to find a Master Resell Rights program. The one I found gave me everything I needed, like a complete automated system, like a website, the capture page already set up for me, proven email sequence, step-by-step digital program training, coaching, community, and live support. It literally taught me everything I needed to know about digital marketing. How to create multiple streams of income without overwhelm or needing to figure it out on my own. If you're someone that wants to build an income online but doesn't want to build it from scratch, this is absolutely the easiest side hustle in 2025. You're not too late, you're not too old, you're just one decision away from a whole new you kind of freedom. I'll see you in the next video.